Welcome to Oral Arts.
We are thrilled you're considering joining our family-run full-service dental lab. We specialize in crafting dental prostheses like crowns, bridges, implants, and more. At Oral Arts, we value changing the lives of the patients we serve by promoting the skills and career growth of the technicians who fabricate smiles on a daily basis. No experience? No problem. We offer detailed training to equip you with the essentials of dental technology. Our roles vary from hands-on tasks in model and die, waxing and polishing, to digital positions in CAD/CAM, iOS, and more, including opportunities in shipping, billing, and customer service. We take care of our employees with a comprehensive benefits package, including health insurance, a 401k plan with company match, an on-site fitness center, paid time off, and support for the professional development like the Certified Dental Technician Certificate. We also celebrate our team's hard work with various events throughout the year. Click Oral Arts Open Positions to view and apply for jobs. Our recruiter will be in touch about the next steps. We are so excited about the possibility of you enhancing our team and making a difference with us every day.